how to restore the old dialer of phone application in Android. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So for that we will simply open phone app. Here you guys can see this is the new version of dialer. So how I can switch to older? So for that I will simply hold on phone app. Now I will click on that I with the cross button. Here you guys will see storage usage, data usage. So simply click on storage usage. After that clear cache. After that click on force stop. Once you click on force stop, after that click on top right corner three dots. Now you will click on uninstall updates. So once you click on uninstall updates, it will automatically switch to old dialer and it will be restored. That's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.